happy pie day compared to a regular apple.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. Out with my babe for a walk. Oh, I should have brought my gimbal. I got a new gimbal that I'm going to be trying out for moments like this. Yes, when I'm walking and I want a nice steady hand like my babe. Dee Dee. But we're out. We're getting some steps in. Because you know why? I will walk for bagels. The bagel was so good. I scarfed it down. I was like, wait, I didn't vlog it. But I have my coffee and we're headed home. Girl, I am too hyped right now. It is officially spring. You know why? Yay! My landscapers are here. It is on. It is on like popcorn. So I picked up this little cutie and this little cutie and some little squishies. Y'all guess where I am?
Running around, almost late. She's the designated reader.
Hi, class. Release the jelly roll.
Come on.
Set her free. All right, I got 4 minutes, y'all. 4 minutes. I can make it happen. Here, searching there, looking high, looking low. Yes. Chauffeur life.
That's messed up.
So, I just want to show my crunch that I have this set up. And all I have to do with the press of a button is I can stop the recording. Press the button, Crunch.
Okay, press the button. Okay.
And if I want to start, just press the button again.
And I want it facing just a little bit. This is gonna be our new vlogging stick.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me see. All the way out there.
Yep.
Well, I don't want people to see that I'm actually holding something in my hand. I want to look cool, like I'm just walking. Oops, and I got to tilt it up a little so no one can see it. What started out as a good day ended with me being sideswiped by this